Hi, my name is Dan Bishop. I am one of Bluewater's photo workshop trip leaders, and we are here in Anilao. In my opinion, it's one of just a couple of places on the planet where there's just a huge concentration of really unique, awesome macro critters. Anilao in this area in general has a great biodiversity, and you can find everything from all different kinds of frogfish to octopus to nudibranchs, crab, shrimp, etc. So there's a wide variety, and you can see these things on a regular basis. So one of the important aspects of the workshop is image review. And so every morning, all the guests submit their images and we talk about them. And the idea is to really analyze the technique that was used to shoot that picture and provide some tips on how to improve it going forward. In terms of what people typically learn on a macro workshop trip, cover a lot of the fundamentals of exposure and lighting, etc. But one thing I think that's really important for macro and something that we dive into a lot is lighting. And that's everything from basic strobes to snooting. We do a lot of discussion about snooting and practice underwater. Also creative lighting like backlighting and colors and things like that. It's a pretty in-depth dive into macro. There's lots of awesome critters in the area, and there's lots of workshop time. So we really dive into everything from the basics of exposure all the way to advanced lighting techniques and editing in Lightroom, etc. So it's a really great trip, and hope you guys can join at some point.